Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a Google site because you're going to do this to create a digital portfolio for your next photo project. So photo project 2 will end with you creating a digital portfolio and uploading your photos to your Google site. So I'm going to start here in my Google Drive, and I'm in my RPSB account, and I'm going to go to New, and I'm going to go to More, and I'm going to scroll down to where it says Google Sites. And I'm going to click there. And it's going to pull up a brand new Google site for me. I'm going to name it with my name. You're going to name it with your name. Okay. And that's what the name of your site is going to be. And if you click in these three places, this one will automatically populate with whatever you have called your site. So that's where I'm going with that. I have done that now. And here on my home page, I'm also going to enter a text box to tell people about my site. And I'm going to give it a theme. I really don't like this gray theme. I'm going to just go with that for now. And I want some sort of, let's go with a heading. And here I'm going to type this in. You can type something similar to that. Welcome to my digital portfolio for my Media Arts 1 class. In here I will place my best work in photography, video, audio, etc. I appreciate any feedback you might have. And I'm still going to keep that there. I'm still going to keep heading text, and I'm just going to give it a little push there with my own signature. Now, if you come across some good photography that you have done and you want to add that to your home page, feel free. But right now, I'm going to just keep going with my page or with my website. I am going to change my theme. This one's a little bleh. Pick one. I'm going to go with Diplomat. Ooh la la. And try to keep everything centered and on one line. It's not on one line then. There we go. Okay, that looks better. And I like the deep green, so I'm going to go there. And let's see, was that my best? There we go, that looks prettier. Okay, here we go. Now, the next thing after I have created this header here with my name, and I have created the website name and everything, and I put my little block of text in, I'm going to go to Pages. I'm going to click Add, and I'm going to call this Photo Project 2 for now. We might change that. We might make it better. But now we have our photo project 2 that we are currently working on. And this is where you're going to insert on photo project 2. You're going to insert your best images. So you have your best images from your, let's see if I can find an image or two here. Probably not, because I've deleted a bunch of stuff. I'll just throw that in there for now. I did not take this photo. But you can see how that works, where it's pretty easy to just drop a photo into your page and size it correctly. Be careful that you are not sizing something to where you have distorted the image. You want to make sure that it still is the right proportions. That generally means you have to hit Shift and the I don't want that. Shift and the corners to make that work. But if you can see that this is supposed to be a landscape photo, don't make it into a portrait photo and that kind of thing. And we'll talk more about that in class. So that is all you really have to do. You're going to upload your photos from your photo project, your final photos, to your photo project too. It's going to be your best work, not just some of the samples that not every photo that you took, but the best stuff. Once you have that, you'll hit publish, and from publish, it'll give you a web address. So like this one will be sites.google.com at rpsb.us, Jennifer Castro. You can manage who you want to see your site, and you can change those settings in there. And I'm going to keep that because I like that. And you can change that name around if you would like, if you don't want your first name or your last name out there. And this is really only going to be searchable under RPSB. It's not going to be exposed to the whole world unless you want it to be. But right now it won't be exposed to the whole world. So go ahead, go in and try some things out. Play around with your website and see what you come up with. Have fun.